Hey everyone, Elango here, and let's be real, life without music is like, well, it's just not an option, right? But with so many music streaming services out there, choosing the right one can feel like trying to find a decent samosa at a fancy restaurant. Confusing and honestly, a little scary. Don't worry fam, I've got your back. Today, we're diving deep into the top 20 paid music streaming services rocking India. We're talking everything from the big global players to the hidden gems you need on your radar. So whether you're a Bollywood buff, a K-pop fanatic, or just love blasting some good old classic rock, we'll help you find the perfect soundtrack for your life. Let's hit that play button. First up, we got to start with the big dog Spotify. You know it, you've probably used it, and let's be honest, you've probably debated deleting it after spending 3 hours curating the playlist. But with millions of songs, from global hits to those underground tracks your cool cousin showed you, Spotify is like that friend with impeccable taste in music. Spotify's got your back with curated playlists, podcasts that'll make you laugh, think, and everything in between. And let's not forget the premium plans starting at 119 rupees per month. We're talking ad-free listening, offline downloads for those times your internet decides to take a vacation, and high-quality audio that'll make you feel like you're right there in the recording studio. So yes, Spotify is pretty awesome, but is it the best? Hold on to your headphones because we've got 19 more contenders to blast through. Next up, we're stepping into the sleek and stylish world of Apple Music. If you're all about that Apple ecosystem life, then this might just be your jam. Imagine having access to over 100 million songs, curated playlists that are so on point they'll make you question your own music taste, and exclusive radio shows hosted by your favorite artists. It's like having a backstage pass to the entire music industry. And the best part, individual plans start at just 99 rupees per month. Plus, they've got family and student plans because sharing is caring and everyone deserves good music. But before you go all in on Apple Music, remember, we've got a whole lot more ground to cover. Hold up. Are you even an Indian if you don't have an Amazon Prime subscription? I mean, who can say no to those lightning-fast deliveries and binge-worthy shows? And guess what? Your Prime membership comes with a bonus, Amazon Music. That's right, you get access to a massive music catalogue with ad-free listening. It's like finding a 200 rupee note in your old jeans. But if you're a true music aficionado, then Amazon Music Unlimited is calling your name. For just 99 rupees per month, you unlock a universe of songs from Bollywood bangers to international chart toppers. So, is Amazon Music the music streaming soulmate you've been searching for? Don't swipe right just yet, because we're just getting started. Okay, let's be real, we've all lost countless hours in the depths of YouTube, right? But did you know that YouTube has a dedicated music streaming service? It's like finding out your favorite chat stall also serves delicious pani puri. YouTube Music is here to level up your music game. We're talking official tracks, albums, live performances that'll give you goosebumps, and remixes that'll make you want to hit the dance floor. And if you're tired of those pesky ads interrupting your jam sessions, then the premium subscription for 99 rupees per month is calling your name. Background play, check. Downloads for offline listening? Double check. YouTube Music is a strong contender, but with 16 more services to go, the competition is heating up. Calling all my Bollywood buffs, if you're looking for a service that truly understands your love for all things Desi, then look no further than Gaana. This homegrown hero boasts a massive library of songs in Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, and a whole lot more. We're talking the latest Bollywood hits, classic tracks that'll take you down memory lane, and regional bangers that'll make you want to break out your best dance moves. And for those who want the ultimate Gaana experience, the Gaana Plus subscription is just 99 rupees per month. Ad-free listening, you got it. Offline downloads for those long journeys, done and done. Gaana is a force to be reckoned with, but don't switch off just yet, because the music streaming marathon continues. Remember Jio Music and Saavn? Well, they decided to join forces and create a music streaming powerhouse, JioSaavn. It's like when your two favorite superheroes team up to fight evil. But instead of saving the world, they're saving you from musical boredom. With JioSaavn, you get access to a massive catalogue of songs in Hindi, English, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and more. Plus, they've got curated playlists, radio stations and podcasts to keep your ears entertained no matter what mood you're in. And if you're ready to take the plunge, the Pro subscription will set you back just 99 rupees per month. Say goodbye to ads and hello to unlimited offline downloads. JioSaavn is a strong contender, but don't make up your mind just yet. We've got 14 more music streaming heavyweights to go. Wink, wink, who's there? It's amazing music, that's who. Okay, I know my jokes need some work, but seriously, Wink Music is no joke. This service is all about giving you a wide range of songs across various genres and languages, all wrapped up in a user-friendly interface. Whether you're in the mood for some Bollywood romance, Punjabi beats to get the party started, or international pop hits to sing along to, Wink Music has got your back. And the best part? You can experience Wink Music in all its glory for just 49 rupees per month. That's right, ad-free listening and offline downloads without breaking the bank. Wink Music is a great option for budget-conscious music lovers, but don't hit that subscribe button just yet. We're only halfway through our epic music streaming journey. Calling all audiophiles! If you're serious about your music and demand nothing but the best sound quality, then Tidal is here to rock your world. Forget compressed audio files. Tidal is all about that lossless, high-fidelity audio that'll make you feel like you're right there in the recording studio with your favorite artists. Plus, they've got exclusive content, curated playlists, and music videos that'll make you the envy of all your music-loving friends. But all this sonic goodness comes at a price premium plan start at 129 rupees per month. Tidal is perfect for those who demand the very best, but is it worth the premium price tag? Stay tuned as we continue our music streaming adventure. SoundCloud, the OG platform for discovering new artists and underground hits. But did you know they also have a premium subscription service? SoundCloud Go Plus is your backstage pass to a world of music that goes beyond the mainstream. We're talking a vast library of tracks from both emerging and established artists, remixes that will make you want to hit the dance floor, and live sets that will transport you straight to the heart of the action. For just $9.99 per month, you can unlock offline listening, an ad-free experience, and the satisfaction of supporting independent artists. SoundCloud Go Plus is a unique platform for music discovery, but is it the right fit for you? Stick around, we've got 11 more services to explore. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of music out there? Don't worry, Deezer is here to be your personalized music concierge. This service boasts a vast music library and uses fancy algorithms to curate playlists and recommend songs based on your unique taste. It's like having a personal DJ who knows your musical preferences better than you know yourself. And for just 129 rupees per month, you can unlock the premium experience ad-free listening, offline downloads and high-quality audio that'll make your ears sing. Deezer takes the guesswork out of music discovery. But is it the right choice for you? Hold tight, we're not done yet. Remember the days of tuning into radio stations and hoping they'd play your favorite song? Pandora takes that nostalgic feeling and gives it a modern twist. This service is all about personalized radio stations. Just tell Pandora your favorite artists or songs, and they'll create a station tailored to your taste. It's like having your own personal radio station that plays only the music you love. And if you want to skip those annoying ads and unlock offline listening, the premium subscription is just $9.99 per month. Pandora is perfect for those who love discovering new music organically, but is it the music streaming soulmate you've been searching for? Stay tuned, we're not done yet. Remember Napster, the OG music-sharing platform that sent the music industry into a frenzy? Well, they're back, and this time they're playing by the rules. Napster has reinvented itself as a legitimate music streaming service with a vast music library and a focus on ad-free listening. For just $9.99 per month, you can enjoy unlimited music without those pesky interruptions. They may not be the revolutionary force they once were, but Napster is a solid option for those seeking a straightforward music streaming experience. Napster is back and better than ever, but with 8 more services to go, the competition is far from over. Stay tuned. Missing the days of tuning into live radio stations? iHeartRadio is here to bring that classic experience to your smartphone. This service gives you access to thousands of live radio stations from across the US, covering every genre imaginable. Whether you're a fan of pop hits, country classics, or hip-hop beats, iHeartRadio has a station for you. And if you want to take your listening experience to the next level, the all-access subscription for $9.99 per month unlocks on-demand listening, offline downloads, and the ability to create your own custom stations. iHeartRadio is perfect for those who love the thrill of live radio, but is it the right fit for your musical needs? Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the best music streaming services. Ready to explore the vibrant world of Chinese music? QQ Music is your gateway to the hottest tracks, artists, and genres from the Middle Kingdom. This service boasts a massive library of Chinese music, from pop sensations to traditional folk tunes. Plus, they offer a range of features like curated playlists, personalized recommendations, and even karaoke functionality. Subscription plans start at just 8 yuan per month, making QQ Music an affordable way to immerse yourself in the sounds of China. QQ Music is a must-have for fans of Chinese music, but with 6 more services to go, our music streaming journey continues. Hailing from Russia, Yandex Music is here to expand your musical horizons with a diverse library of both Russian and international tracks. This service offers personalized recommendations based on your listening habits, ensuring you're always discovering new favorites. Plus, they have curated playlists, radio stations, and even podcasts to keep your ears entertained. For just 169 rubles per month, you can unlock the full Yandex Music experience, including ad-free listening, offline downloads, and high-quality audio. Yandex Music is a great option for exploring Russian music and beyond, but don't make up your mind just yet. We've got 5 more services to discover. Ready to explore the rich and diverse world of Arabic music? Angami is your ultimate guide to the hottest tracks, artists, and genres from the Middle East and North Africa. This service boasts a massive library of Arabic music, from classic tracks to the latest chart toppers. Plus, they offer curated playlists, personalized recommendations, and even lyrics so you can sing along to your heart's content. For just $4.99 per month, you can unlock the Angami Plus experience, which includes ad-free listening, offline downloads, and access to exclusive content. Angami is a must-have for fans of Arabic music, but don't switch off just yet. We've got 4 more services to explore. Calling all anime fans and J-pop enthusiasts, Line Music is your gateway to the vibrant and catchy world of Japanese music. This service boasts a massive library of J-pop hits, from idol groups to rock bands and everything in between. Plus, they offer curated playlists, artist radios, and even exclusive live performances. Subscription plans start at just 960 yen per month, making Line Music an affordable way to immerse yourself in the sounds of Japan. Line Music is a must-have for fans of Japanese music, but don't click away just yet. We've got 3 more services to explore. Ready to explore the diverse and vibrant world of Asian music? YoArts is your ultimate guide to the hottest tracks, artists, and genres from across the continent. This service boasts a massive library of music from countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and more. Plus, they offer curated playlists, personalized recommendations, and even karaoke functionality. For just $1.50 per month, you can unlock the Jux VIP experience, which includes ad-free listening, offline downloads, and access to exclusive content. Jux is a must-have for fans of Asian music, but don't make up your mind just yet. We've got 2 more services to discover. Get ready to groove to the rhythm of Africa with Boomplay. This service is your passport to the diverse and vibrant world of African music, from Afro beats and highlife to Afropop and more. With a massive library of songs from across the continent, Boomplay offers curated playlists, personalized recommendations, and even the opportunity to discover and support local artists. And for just $1.50 per month, you can unlock the Boomplay Premium experience, which includes ad-free listening, offline downloads, and access to exclusive content. Boomplay is a must-have for anyone looking to explore the exciting world of African music, but hold on tight. We've got one more service to check out before you make your final decision. And last but not least, we have Eros Now Music. If you're a die-hard Bollywood fan, then this service is calling your name. As part of the Eros Now entertainment platform, Eros Now Music offers a vast collection of Bollywood soundtracks, from classic films to the latest releases. Whether you're in the mood for romantic ballads, high-energy dance numbers, or soulful melodies, Eros Now Music has got you covered. For just 49 rupees per month, you can unlock the premium experience, which includes ad-free listening and offline downloads. Eros Now Music is the perfect way to satisfy your Bollywood cravings, and with that, we've reached the end of our epic music streaming journey. And there you have it, folks, the top 20 paid music streaming services available in India. Whether you're into international hits or local tunes, there's something for everyone. From the big global players like Spotify and Apple Music to regional favorites like Ghana and Jio Saavn, the power to choose your perfect soundtrack is in your hands. So go ahead, explore these services, try out their free trials, and find the one that speaks to your soul. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy listening.